everybody, and welcome to Mr. Dave's Piano Lessons, MEV, Music Education Video, worldwide, baby, worldwide. Now, today, we're going to deal with notes, note stems, the value of the notes, rhythms, quarter notes, half notes, eighth notes, 16th notes, all that fun stuff. Okay, kids, we're ready for our first slide. Here we go. Now, everybody, let's take a look at that. We're going to explain everything, and you should get your pens and pencils out and write everything down. Treble clef. Say time signature. Okay, 4/4 means 4 quarter notes per measure. The top number is how many beats per measure, and the bottom number means quarter note. Say 4 quarter notes per measure. Okay, now, these little X's are just rhythms, no note in particular. So these are quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then write me a bar line, okay? So in between here and here is a measure. In between here and here is a measure. So a measure is the space between bar lines. Say that. A measure is the space between bar lines. Very good, kids. Now we have a quarter, rest, quarter note, quarter rest, quarter note. Okay, guys, here's how you count it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it again. Let's clap it. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to play a couple notes. I'm not really warmed up, but it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, guys. Okay, next rhythm, please. All right, once again, say treble clef. This is your time signature. 3 quarter notes per measure. Say that. 3 quarter notes per measure. Okay, we have a half note, quarter note, bar line. Half note, quarter note, bar line. This is the measure in between bar lines. It goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's clap it. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you can make up notes. I don't care what you do. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can make up random random notes and do some rhythms. Okay, and for the top one, you could just go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so forth. Okay, doesn't really matter what notes. Concentrate on your rhythms only. Okay, so say goodbye to that one. Bye-bye. All right, now, next, we're going to deal with what's called eighth notes. Okay, guys, everybody look at this. Get your pens and pencils out. And guess what? You're going to copy this down. Treble clef. Okay? Eighth notes are spelled E-I-G-H-T-H. Eighth notes. Okay? Now, there's two eighth notes per quarter note. Okay? Let's talk about that first. Quarter notes are this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. Quarter note gets 1 count. All right? And on the page, I'm writing an X with the stem, but on the page, it's a filled-in note with the stem. 1 count. Now, eighth notes, you split that in 2. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all together now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good, guys. Okay, let's look at the page. And write this down, please. All right, ready, begin. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now keep that up and play some random notes. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, whatever you want to do. Play some random notes with those rhythms. Okay, next. Here we go, guys. Once again, say treble clef. Now, this funny little 7 with a nose is called an 8th rest, and it's a half a count rest, okay, guys? So this one goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, those are called upbeats or offbeats. Listen. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now I said that a little louder, and that's called an accent. Okay, let's clap it. Listen. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And all you beatbox people can do it way better than me, I'm sure. I'm just a matter of being able to write it down and analyzing it, you know, understanding. Eventually you'll hear rhythms and you say, oh yeah, I know how to write that down. I know what that is. And that's what we're doing here. Okay, now, an accent, once again, is where it's a little louder. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now, and that's kind of like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Or you can play random notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You can make it as simple as you want to, etc., etc. Okay? Now, let's review. 8th notes. Got that? Okay, we're moving on. Excuse me. Now, 16th notes. Okay, first thing you do is you spell it. S-I-X-T-E-E-N-T-H. Notes. 16th notes. Okay? Now, here's the deal. Treble clef. Now, you'll notice this has a double bar across. There's group of 4. All right? So you have 4 16th notes in a quarter note. Everybody say that. 4 16th notes in a quarter note. Very good, very good. Now, here's how you count it. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Okay, get your pens out. You got to write this down. It's a group of 2 stems across, 4 X's per group. Write it down. Thank you. Now, listen, we're going to clap it. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, remember what I said about accents. The first one's a little louder. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay? What if we did the second one a little louder? 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Let's try that. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, do the third one a little louder. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, now we're going to try the fourth 16th note a little louder. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, the reason that is it's just easy to say. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Got it? All right, now, this gets a little more difficult, so everybody put on your thinking caps, please. Say treble clef. Okay, this funny thing like a double 7 right here, this is called a 16th rest. It's only a 4th of a beat. 16th rest. You're going to have to study this several times. This one is called a dotted 8th note, and we'll go over that later. That's 3/4 of a beat, okay? So, and then we have a quarter note, and then this rhythm is 16th note, 8th note, 16th note, quarter note, all right? Now, let's look at the rhythm one more time. Hang on. It goes like this. Now, even if you don't know the rhythm yet, you're going to do it with me. It's 1, 1, One, And you know what? That's the best way. For now, guys, just do the stuff like that. Okay, ahs. One, One, Okay, that's a complicated rhythm. But if you do it over and over, it goes like this. Ready, and one, 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 and one, and so forth, okay? Now, thank you so much, guys. Rhythms are tough. Do your homework, and we'll see you next time. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.